That is so nice to see. You know, like a fan, he goes out there, shares the ground with him, and look at this. Look at this gratitude. Look at this gesture from Revanth Reddy as well. He's not donning the limelight. అంటే మేము తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మీ సీఎం గారు మరి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు ఈజ్ నాట్ గ్రీటింగ్ ద క్రౌడ్ అన్నమాట కదా. హీఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ Leo to go forward. That's so nice from Revanth Reddy, the CM himself.
That is what he's so humble. Hyderabad, take a bow. You have hosted royalty tonight. Lionel Messi has conquered the Deccan. Wow. Once again.
And look at the gratitude being exchanged by Messi. He says, Revanth Reddy ji, you go kick and give it to the crowd. So that is what sport brings to us. See, Revanth Reddy threw the ball to Leo. He said, you kick to the crowd. But then Leo said, no, it's okay. It's all fine. We're all friends here. As he gave the ball back to the CM and he kicked it. So that is where sport unites everybody. And that's why we always say, play some kind of sports. It teaches you a lot in life. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be connected to people. It teaches you to be more warm, welcoming. It teaches you to stay grounded. And of course, it teaches you to be psychologically fit in whatever you do in your life. As the GOAT Tour 2025 has begun really well on day one. After Hyderabad, of course, the GOAT would be traveling to Maharashtra, Mumbai as well tomorrow.
Yes, the schedule is hectic. As we all know, the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium in Uppal is transformed. We are watching live in Prasar Bharati DD Sports and Sony Live as well. Usually the home of sixes and wickets, we have seen the Uppal Stadium. But tonight, it became the temple of the beautiful game. The atmosphere is not just electric. It is volcanic. Wow, Hyderabad has turned up in thousands of thousands of people, thousands of crowd witnessing the GOAT, the legend, here in Uppal Stadium. The god of football is also enjoying the game here with the Indian fans.
And more importantly, you know, like I was mentioning, people need to actually take a big cue out of his personal life. You know, the reason why I keep mentioning that is because there is so much of hardships to everybody today. But physically, being low, being weak, and making